Now if we scroll down, we'll see this error that says, display entity reference needs a selected search fields to work properly. See the settings for the entity reference list format. So if we go up here, here's the entity reference list format. Let's click settings. So it's letting us choose which fields will get searched in the autocomplete widget. In this case, we're still going to use a dropdown, but we have to set this anyway. Let's click apply. Okay, so we're seeing all of our staff, and now we just need to narrow it down by which staff are guides. So we'll add a new filter criteria. We'll search for position, and now we have two options here, field position or field position delta. Delta comes into play with fields that have multiple values, and the delta is the number of that value. So let's say we have 3 values for the position field. The first one will have a delta of 0, the next one will be 1, the next one will be 2. In this case, we don't want that, but it's nice to know how it works. So let's select position and apply. And for the operator, we're going to select is one of, and we're going to select guide. And this will filter it out by just guides. We'll click apply. And so these are our 3 different guides. Let's save this. And now we can use this view for the reference field. So again, we're editing the tour type. So we'll go to structure, content types, tour, manage fields, and then for guide, let's hit edit. At the bottom, for the reference method, let's select views filter by an entity reference view, and then we'll get a list of all of the different entity reference views we have. We want the guide selector, and now let's click save settings. Now let's go back to the tour creation form again and see how it looks. So now if we click on guide, we only see the staff members that are currently guides.